Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to include Moringa powder in your diet. To begin, start with a small amount, perhaps 1/2 to 1 teaspoon each day. A fantastic way to incorporate it is by blending it into your morning smoothie or juice. This method helps mask its earthy flavor while providing a quick nutritional boost to your day. You can also simply sprinkle it over your salads or roasted vegetables. Moving on, Moringa powder can easily be integrated into your everyday meals. Try stirring it into warm soups, stews, or sauces just before serving to preserve its nutrients. It also works wonderfully in homemade salad dressings, adding a beautiful green hue and extra vitamins. For a savory twist, blend it into your guacamole or hummus, enhancing both flavor and health benefits. Beyond main meals, Moringa powder is excellent for baking and snacks. You can easily incorporate it into your favorite baked goods, such as muffins, pancakes, or even homemade bread, adding a subtle earthy note. It's also perfect for boosting energy balls or protein bars, making them even more nutritious. For a quick breakfast, stir it into your yogurt or oatmeal. To maximize your Moringa experience, remember its earthy taste pairs well with stronger flavors like citrus or ginger. Always store your Moringa powder in an airtight container, away from direct light and heat, to maintain its potency and freshness. By consistently including this powerful superfood, you can enjoy its rich supply of essential vitamins, minerals, and beneficial antioxidants.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.